Live from the world's capital market, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by Bony Academy.
Hello and welcome to Tuesday's Daily Financial Digest.
The yen approached the closely watched 150 per dollar level and kept traders on intervention watch after the Bank of Japan and Governor Kazuo Ueda quashed hopes of any imminent move away from its stark, ultra-loose monetary policy. The head of the European Central Bank says interest rates will stay high enough to restrict business activity for as long as necessary to beat back inflation because upward pressure on prices remains strong. Global markets have been feeling the heat as US bond yields surged and a strengthened dollar hit a 6-month high following the Federal Reserve's hawkish tone last week. The yen was also nudging towards the closely watched 150 per dollar level. The dollar-yen pair saw a minor rise of 0.2% in the last session. According to the stochastic indicator, we are in an overbought market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.1% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The gold fell 0.4% against the dollar in the last trading session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair dropped 0.7% in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an oversold market. The US consumer confidence will be released at 1400 hours GMT. The US Red Book Index at 1255 GMT. The US S&P Case-Shiller Home Price Indices at 1300 hours GMT. The US new home sales will be released at 1400 hours GMT. Finland's unemployment rate at 0500 hours GMT, Japan's BOJ monetary policy meeting minutes at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a profitable trading day. Make sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.